DOM stands for Document Object Model. The document is the HTML document that is loaded into memory, and the entire HTML document is represented as objects. The HTML body and any other tags that we use inside it will be represented as objects, and we can access all the HTML elements and its attributes from within our JavaScript code using the DOM API, the Application Programmer's Interface provided by JavaScript. So we have several inbuilt objects and methods on them or functions on them, using which we can access the elements and attributes as well as the styling information of our HTML from within our JavaScript code. And also we can create, replace and remove them dynamically from JavaScript. For example, document.getElementById. This function on the document object will retrieve a particular HTML element by using its unique ID that we give to it. Similarly, we can also get an element by tag name. A text field, for example, if we have a name called myText, you can retrieve it using getElementByTagName. Another method, we can also get the element using its style by using getElementByClassName. In the next few lectures, you are going to explore all the DOM functions to access the HTML elements, attributes as well as by using its styling information.